In this video I will unbox this Oraimo wireless headphones. So as you can see, this headphone is called AY-AirPods 6. As you can see, these contain single button control, HD sound, pure bass, comfort ear tips. Also these headphone come with like a Bluetooth version 5.5 EDR, Bluetooth distance 10 meter. This will allow you to 10 meters from connected device, and also charging box per capacity is 180 mAh battery. Earphone power is 30 mAh battery, single ear. As you can see, continuously this AirPod Bluetooth, wireless Bluetooth, continuously music playing time 3 hours to 5 hours. As you can see, standby time of charging box I mean 35 hours to 50 hours. This means that if you charge this wireless headphone, it will last about like 35 hours standby inside with the box, and also it fully charged in 1 hour. So that is some of the features that come with this Bluetooth. So let us unbox it and see what inside it. So here is the things. So this is like a wireless headphones, and this is the box, as you can see, and this come with this this one, and also come with this cable to charge the wireless, as you can see. So let us go direct to the point. So this is the box, and you are going to put all those wireless headphones inside it to charge it. And then I just test these headphones. It will like it can connect with either Android or iPhone. So this is how it is. As you can see, if it is connected, you will see lightning, and this will allow you to connect with your Android or iPhone devices. So what do you think about this? You can use it to put inside here, and you can hold it as you can see in the photo of it. So when you unbox it, you are now good to go. You can charge it and you can use it, and this is among the cheapest wireless headphone, because it is selling under $10, and also you can use it with any device, but it has no noise cancellation and some other key features with higher end headphone wireless have. So this is for budget friendly headphones. So guys, what do you think about it? Let me know in the comment section, and by the way, please like this video, share it to friends and family, and follow me and subscribe for more video like this. Thank you. See you very soon.